Right, ready? We're going in. Are you sure it's all right?
No.
Well, no, you say yes.
Hey, look, old mate's fishing. It's all
Oh,
good.
yeah, he is. He's got a fishing rod.
It's all good.
All right, we're good then. I'm happy with that. Oh, I'm on!
Oh, he's on, fish on.
Oh, oh, I think it's a Barra, Simon.
Oh, it's a good fish
it's a cracker
too.
too. He's hooked under the mouth.
All right, here we go.
It's a big fish.
On to.
You're on!
On to.
Oh, look at that!
That's a stinker, mate.
That's a good
It's a
fish.
solid Barra. Told you this was the spot, dude.
This is the spot.
Yeah, everyone's a little tacker.
You got a little
I
tacker?
got a little.
That is a cracker.
Yeah, it's a beauty. They're
Mate,
healthy
there's
fish
probably
too.
heaps of them in here. Do we keep them or we catch a couple more? Catch a couple more?
Yeah, catch them all, mate.
Oh, that's a cracker. Look at that. There you go, buddy.
Just don't tell all your friends about this spot.
I'm not telling anyone. This spot's gold.
Oh, fish on! Fish on! Fish
You
on!
got a fish? You got a fish? That's another one.
This pond must be full of them, mate.
It must be. Oh, yes! Solid fish. Oh, yes! Woohoo! Another Barra. That was a good hit.
Good hit.
Yeah, that was gold. Wee pup. It's a Barra, but
Barra, mate. Still a Barra.
I like this spot.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Fish on. Oh, it's a better one for me too.
It's a cracker.
Oh, yeah. You gotta love that, don't you?
Fish are thick in here.
It's the spot, dude.
It's the spot,
Oh,
all
it's
right.
a better fish, this one. Yes. She's gone deep. She's gone deep in the pond of dreams.
This is honey hole.
It's the honey hole. Yeah, baby.
Oh, look at that.
Well done.
Beautiful fish.
That's
Good
Look
job.
at that, mate. Look at that for a fish, mate. In
That's
the
a
secret
cracker.
honey hole. What's he go?
Oh, he's 70.
70?
Yeah. All day long.
Thanks, buddy. Oh, yeah.
Good job.
This
This is
awesome.
the spot.
That's awesome.
What a spot.
Someone's in trouble.
You hear that?
Yeah.
What's that for?
I know.
Someone's in trouble.
Oh, shit, he's coming in here, dude.
Is he?
No,
What's he coming in here for?
like seriously.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Oh, you said we could fish
Put
here.
your rod down, quick. Put your rod down. Yeah, we're in trouble.
Hey. Hey. Untie. We weren't doing nothing.
Well, it appears that Simon's hot tip on this fishing spot has become slightly too hot to handle. But really, guys, the local Barra Centre... Look, don't worry, we're certain old mate that told Simon how to get in here will help clear this up, if he'd just answer his phone. Next time, the team goes hunting with Dave on country.
Good shot, mate. Good shot.
Good shot.
There's more community service cook-ups,
Damn tasty, mate.
and it's muster time on Delta Downs.
And I reckon there's over 3,000 head of cattle in here.
It's a mega herd from hell.
Join up for the adventure.